So in terms of actual price points, so I guess some of the customers and some of the challenges is the actual pricing of their product is maybe too little, or maybe their particular product doesn't lend itself to be to have that little bit of a higher price. So what ends up happening is they spend a lot of money in PPC, and then obviously
Mm.
there's no profit margins in there. So, and then one thing you touched on there was kind of putting your face to your actual product, and maybe you can do some different things like Facebook. And I think that's also something that's very, very valuable when it comes to the conversion rate on someone's Amazon listings. So a lot of the times, I think we find, I definitely find that some of the members, maybe their conversion is too low. So what tends to happen is, you throw a
Mm.
lot of advertising money into it, doesn't convert as high, probably doing a great job, at PPC, or someone's doing a great job in PPC, and then, but it's actually the actual listing maybe isn't converting properly, or the product isn't converting properly. And I think what you touched on in terms of putting your face behind it, I think that definitely does help improve conversion. And have you noticed a difference, I guess, between some products that have been converting higher and similar products that haven't been, just due to some differences that they've done within the listing?
Well, I think yeah, it goes back to what you were saying probably a couple of Mondays ago. That really that unique point of difference. I think that yeah, time and again when I'm working with clients, that's really so important. So it's worth mentioning again. And what you were also saying about you don't have to be the cheapest product if you can find that unique point of difference and demonstrate the value in that, then you can charge a higher price, and potentially that's another way to make the numbers work. But you won't know that until yeah you would have to test that. Again, there's no guarantees. It's something just that you have to test, and it's about continual improvement. So you might not get it 100% the first time, but you're up and selling. That in itself is something to be celebrated. So it's just about that continual improvement. Okay, I've sold 100 units my first shipment. What can I do next time? Is it improving the packaging? Is it adding an extra accessory? So it's yeah, it's about yeah, you're not stuck with that one product that you had. It's about yeah, it can evolve over time and continue get better and better, and that's going to help with your conversion rate. I'm super passionate about Amazon PPC and SEO. I really like, and also Google Ads, but I really do have a soft spot for Amazon PPC because I just like the way that it can influence your organic ranking on Amazon. Whereas with Google, they're two separate things. So your organic listing on Google doesn't necessarily it won't make a difference whether you're spending money on ads or not. They're not linked. Where on Amazon, you can kind of play around with that. You can do ranking campaigns, and it's 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 really interesting to see when you're tracking your organic rankings to see just how much it's not everything. PPC is not everything, but it does definitely have an influence on where you're showing up, and then also doing things like looking at your making sure that your Amazon listing is optimized. So looking at your title, all of those good things. I really love geeking out on that. So that's what I'm interested in, and helping other businesses with that because as I said, I've kind of been on that journey of starting my own business, trying to wear all the hats, and this is what lights me up. So at the moment, that's sort of where I'm focusing my time is helping other people that were in my position, because it's a complicated thing. It's not. It's essentially like what you said. It's a whole other job. So that's sort of where I'm at the moment, and that's my focus because that's what really lights me up. So if I can help other people on their journey, then that's really exciting to me, and that's what I'm doing at the
That
moment.
was a video from my regular Monday night Q&A session with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. We are a community of 2,500 members and growing. We're the fastest growing community of professional e-commerce sellers right here in Australia. With sales, by the way, of over 50 million. $50 million, holy crap. If you'd like to find out more about what we do and how we can help you build your own e-commerce business too, get off to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. The link for that is in the description. And thanks so much for watching. See you in the next video.